What's up everybody, it's Brahma. I'm coming at you with a brand new video. Today's video will be showing how to make your own face mask. A link will be left in the description on where to download the pattern, or you could go to ucreate.com, and without further ado, let's get into it. So to begin, we'll go over a list of materials we'll be using. We'll start off with ribbon. Our local fabric store was low on fabrics, so we're going to go ahead and use a sheet set. You also want to grab some paracord. We grabbed these from our local Lowe's. We're also going to use some PM 2.5 filters. This is a double-sided mask, so for our front side we are going to be using a fully authentic Louis Vuitton scarf. So now you're going to want to grab your front fabric and your stencil. Now you want to grab your fabric and lay it flat. Use a rotary tool to cut around the shape of the pattern. Now you want to grab the fabric that you'll be using for the back side and repeat the same step, but cut out 2 of these. On one of the pieces that you just cut out, you want to fold it about ½ an inch twice and then iron it down. After this, you're going to want to just go ahead and sew along the edge. You should now have 3 pieces: your pocket, your back side, and your front side. Now you want to layer these pieces face down, starting with the front side, the back side, and the pocket on top of that. You can now start pinning everything together. Once you have everything pinned, just go ahead and sew along the edge. The stitching doesn't have to come out perfect since we are going to go over it again with the ribbon on top, but try your best. After you got that sewed down, you want to bring a lighter to the edges to make sure all the loose threads are out. Now grab your ribbon piece, fold it in half, and meet both edges to the middle. Now you want to iron that out and fold it again, and again iron it out. Now you want to measure the ribbon piece against the length of the mask and cut the excess. Now to keep it in place, you want to put a little bit of glue, not too much but just enough to keep it in place. Now you want to grab your ribbon and place it against the mask. Make sure you press firmly on both sides to make sure it stays in place. Now you want to head to your sewing machine and sew this down. You want to make sure ribbon is showing on both sides and both sides are getting sewed properly. You want to repeat the same exact steps to the top of the mask. This is a little bit more difficult, but nothing you can't do. Now you want to put a little bit of glue on the sides and fold this in twice to get rid of those raw edges. Now you want to glue the rest of the ribbon down so you create a loop as shown. Now again, head to your sewing machine and sew the edges down. Alright, now that all 4 edges of the mask are completely sewed down, your mask is now officially done. All that's left to do now is put your paracord through both loops and create a knot. The type of knot that we used was a sliding knot, so all you have to do is just pull one cord to tighten it and loosen it, but you can basically tie any knot, it'll just be up under trial and error. Now that all that's done, all you have to do now is just throw your filter in the pocket and you're good to go. So there you guys have it. Thank you all for watching. Let me know what you think about the video down in the comments down below. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think about this video. Shout out to my boy Pablo Rockwild for helping me out on this video. Be sure to follow him on Instagram, Pablo Rockwild. Follow me on Instagram, Brahma001. And until then, stay tuned. This mask will be up for purchase at brahmacustoms.com. And you could also get the free pattern at ucreate.com. And until next time, see you guys.